which is very strange, isn't it? Okay, where do you go from here? Right, this is another very interesting link. I suggest you watch this in full, in its entirety, and try and take it in, okay? I'll just play a little bit of it for you here, and I'll just listen to this, okay?
Illness or death at little or no risk to the operator. Mange may be a present problem, but this will probably be overcome if it has not been already. If it has not already, not been already. The psychotronic weapon would be silent, difficult to detect, and would require only a human operator as a power source. Soviet researchers studying controlled behavior have also examined the effects of electromagnetic radiation on humans and have applied those techniques against the U.S. Embassy in Moscow. Researchers suggest that certain extremely low frequencies, guys, here's that ELF part that I was talking about in the last video, emissions possess psychoactive characteristics. These transmissions can be used to induce depression or irritability in a target population. This affects or impacts. Trying to speed this up, guys. The use of telepathic hypnosis also holds great potential. The capability could allow agents to be deeply planted with no conscious knowledge of their programming. Okay, guys, look. If perfected, this capability could allow the direct transference of thought via telepathy from one mind or group of minds to a selected target audience. The unique factor is that the recipient will not be aware that thoughts have been implanted from an external source. He or she will believe the thoughts are original. Okay, you guys can read the rest of this, guys.
Okay, that's enough for us now. I think my battery's getting quite low on this as well, so but watch all of that. It's really, really interesting. What else was there? Right, okay, back to this quickly. I talked about earlier, white noise is commonly used in the production of electronic music. This is really interesting, but it's disturbing, okay? Check this out. Whoa. This is World Deception. It's basically a rave that goes on, very satanic, dark stuff. Stay there. Stay. Come on. Right, I'll hold it. So, okay, this is definitely what's going to go down. You might want to look into it further. I've worked on it for a few hours today. So basically the monosonic fusion will be used with a type of white noise to channel spirits into the mind by use of military sound weapons. It could well be broadcast during the next big disaster which everyone would be watching. The next big disaster will include the opening of the abyss. Billions will be watching this disaster on TV and listening to it on the radio. That's all I've got for now, guys. Check all the links. Peace. God bless.